Hello, friends. Today we will start with another new part, interhalogen compounds or interhalogens. As the name suggests, interhalogen, halogen in between halogens, right? There are four halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. They react among themselves to produce interhalogen compounds, right? Then now, today we will see what are interhalogen compounds and how actually they are synthesized. Now let's see first slide. Each halogen combines with another halogen to form several compounds known as interhalogen compounds, right? An interhalogen compound is a molecule which contains two or more different halogen atoms: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Astatine is not there, huh? And no atoms of elements from any other group. Most interhalogen compounds known are binary, composed of two elements only. The less electronegative element is written first. We know from top to bottom electronegativity decreases. Right now, fluorine is the most electronegative. Okay, and other, if the compound is made up of chlorine and fluorine, then the most electronegative is fluorine. Right now, and less electronegative is chlorine. Then chlorine you have to write first, ClF, not FCl, like that. Got it? In naming also, the less electronegative element is mentioned first. Okay, there are four different types of interhalogen compounds: AX, AX3, AX5, AX7. In AX, ClF, BrF, BrCl, ICl, IBr. In AX3, ClF3, BrF3, ICl3. In AX5, BrF5, IF5. Iodine pentafluoride. Okay, chlorine fluoride, chlorofluoride, like that you can name it. IF7, iodopentafluoride, heptafluoride, iodoheptafluoride, or iodine heptafluoride, right? Okay, this is about interhalogen. Definition is two different halogen combines together to produce interhalogen compounds. In while writing it, we have to write first less electronegative element. Right now, next, the common interhalogen compounds include chlorine monofluoride, ClF, bromine trifluoride, BrF3, iodopentafluoride, IF5, iodine heptafluoride, IF7, and etc. Okay, now we will see preparation. Now we will see synthesis of our interhalogen compounds. Okay, now let's see. First method is direct combination of halogen. Here two different halogen gases we will take and we will combine it, right? See, halogens are mixed in equimolar proportion at an appropriate temperature to form interhalogens of XY type. First one, right? Means we have to take it in a equimolar, same molar quantity, right? And at appropriate temperature we have to heat it and it will form interhalogen XY type compound. Example are there. See, Cl2 plus Br2, it will give 2 BrCl at temperature 283 Kelvin. Cl2 plus I2 gives 2ICl. Cl2 plus F2 gives ClF at 523 Kelvin. Br2 plus F2 gives 2, sorry, some mistake is there, 2 BRF. Now better way you take Br2 plus I2. Okay, fine. The interhalogens of type X, Y3 and XY5 are prepared by mixing less electronegative halogen with excess of more electronegative halogen under appropriate temperature. Right now, in different molar concentration proportion we have to take it. I2 plus 3Cl2 will give 2ICl3. Br2 plus 3F2 will give 2BrF3. Br2 plus 5F2 will give 2IF5. And last, Cl2 plus 3F2 will give 2ClF3. Right? This is the first direct combination of halogens. Now second method is also there. Action of halogen on an interhalogen. Means already we have to take interhalogen, one of the interhalogen compound. In that we have to put halogen. Right? See, halogen reacts with interhalogen to form another interhalogen. For example, IF5 plus F2, it will produce IF7. ICl plus Cl2, it will give ICl3. Right? This is another method. First method we have so direct combination. Another method is action of halogen on interhalogen. Right? And now last method, third method is there. Disproportion. Means cracking. Disproportion means breaking. See, interhalogens disproportionate to form another interhalogen and free halogen. For example, 3BrF, it will give BrF3 on heating definitely. 3BrF3 plus Br2. Second, 5IF3 will give 3IF5 plus I2. Alright. And second reaction, halogens disproportionate with compounds of another halogen to form interhalogen. Okay, we have to take another halogen type compound and we have to treat halogens. The reaction will disproportionate. See, I2 plus potassium chlorate, it will give potassium iodate plus ICl. Cl2 plus HF gives HCl plus ClF. Br2 plus ClF3 will give BrF3 plus BrCl. And at last reaction, 3I2 plus 5AgF will give 5AgI plus IF5. Okay, these are the three method of synthesis, how actually the interhalogen compounds form. Okay, and today we will stop here. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye.